we should be voting with the knowledge that we're not going to get constructive results because everybody is still in a phony mode. I mean, we get in this thing of hallelujah thing, for a few hours a day. Everybody throw their arms around each other, and I've gotten to the place personally where I don't particularly care to see people hugging each other and high-fiving each other, and then 15 minutes later, 9mm popping all over the neighborhood and whatnot. All of that phoniness that goes with the system of white supremacy, because it's a phony institution based on phony principles, because it's based on lies and deception and cruelty, and it should be replaced with a system of justice. So I don't expect anything out of this election except more of the same, regardless of which way it goes.
Mm-hmm.
And so, but people should be, even during the election and after the election, keeping that in mind and saying we're going to have more of the same nonsense after the election, but we will still work for the best in spite of the nonsense. And the best means a world dominated by justice and correctness, meaning guaranteeing that nobody's mistreated and guaranteeing that the person who needs help the most gets the most constructive help. Because we're in a racist society, and so all of our voting will be about justice, which means eliminating racism. So all your votes should be based on what will help to replace the system of white supremacy with the system of justice. If not now, hopefully in the near future. Well, we can all work for that, because that's the only game in town right now. That's the only government on the planet, is the system of white supremacy. So you're voting within that system, but you should be just doing the best you can with some very defective tools.